Well, I think I love this franchise. I have seen Bhul Bhulaiya 1 and Bhul Bhulaiya 2. And I loved both the movies. And in a chance meeting with Anis Bhai, I had told him how much I loved the movie. Um, in January this year, they approached me and he said that he had something in mind for me. And उन्होंने script सुनाया and I heard the script and I liked it because it allowed me to do something different from all the roles that I've done so far. And and I thought it would be exciting to be part of this universe, the horror comedy universe. Well, once you hear the script, sometimes you see the character in your mind, and of course, the director is always there to guide you if you're doing anything little out of the. But I've always thought of the role, and whenever I hear the script, I start imagining what my character will be like. And so we just went with the imagination, and I thought this scene can be played this way or that can be played that way. But the kind of things I did, I think I've never done before. So I was very, very happy with the role. Well, it was wonderful. Karthik is a very, very hardworking actor. He always is trying to give his best with every shot. And Vidya, I have always admired as an actor, and it was great fun working with her because we got along very well. And we were feeding off each other's energies, and um, I thought that both of us together looked really nice. And the rest of the cast, all all the actors are such um, good actors, and they have uh, created such a niche for themselves in this industry. And when I worked with them, it was amazing. It was just amazing. See, the original Bhul Bhulaiya was more of a psychological drama. um, Vidya was fantastic in that. I call her the OG Manjulika because she's the one who started this Ami J Tumar. She made that song so popular because of the way she acted and the way she danced in it. Um, I used to love the song. And when I had heard the song for the first time, I said, "Hi, it's such a nice song. Maybe I can do it one day." Just thinking. And when this role came to me, and Vidya was part of it, and Karthik was part of it, I was like, "Yes, this is something I would be love to be part of." Of course, the role had to be good, and I liked my role in the film, so I did it. I think the climax of the movie was amazing, and it's a climax that nobody had even guessed or imagined. And I think that just made the movie happen. Now, I think Bulbulaya 3 was very different from Bulbulaya 2. It was a different story, different timeline, everything was different about it. So it's not like it's a lack of imagination. It's just that this is that genre. So when you say part one, part two, part three, it means people go in expecting, they know what to expect, right? It's a horror comedy genre. So they know when they go to see Bulbulaya 3, after Bulbulaya 2, they know what to expect, that it's going to be horror and it's going to be comedy and it's going to be a little bit of romance and everything. So I guess it just gives people an idea of what it is. Yeah, I think it was genuinely scary. Of course, they had to keep in mind that they have little kids also as the audience, so you can't be too scary because they wanted family audience, for this movie. So they kept that in mind and they kept true to their genre. It was frightening also, and yet it was something that people could sit through without. No, I think it had all the drama, all the different emotions. In fact, instead of being like a horror ending, it's a very emotional end, in Bulbulaya, and it touches you. It really touches you. So I think I've been in the industry for 40 years
40
now,
years.
and I think it has been a very interesting journey. It has been a very happy journey. I've enjoyed every minute of it, and I think I was fortunate that I got to work with the best of directors, with the best of roles, best choreographers, best songs. I think I was very fortunate that my journey has been so um, awesome for me and inspiring for others. Well, I think it hasn't peaked yet. I'm just trying to do new roles, trying to, discover more of my abilities as an actor. And I think I would give the credit to my fans, my audience, who have always supported me, loved me through all the years, my directors who I've learned so much from, the other actors who also I've learned so much from, um, my choreographers. I think I would say a big thank you to all of them. Well, the thing is that you have to keep challenging yourself. You have to keep thinking out of the box. You have to go with times. Like social media is so much powerful today, and I'm also a part of it. I love Insta. I love doing reels, and I'm on Twitter, and I'm in touch with my fans, um, in touch with the youth. And when I do a film like that, like a Bulbulaiya 3, I think I even earn more audience. The younger audience also sees me, and I am trying to win them over as well. Well, there's so many questions in one. Well, I have always kept in touch with dancing because I was on dance reality shows. So I used to dance in those shows. I do shows like, Bollywood shows, or I did a few shows with Shah Rukh called The Temptations. I did Unforgettables. So I keep performing, and when you perform, you have to practice, you have to rehearse, and you keep in touch with your art that way. I practice my dancing, I practice Kathak, um, so that's how I keep my energy. I keep that thing going for me, the stamina and everything. Apart from that, of course, workouts are very important. What you eat is very important, and I try to eat as healthy as possible. Yeah, I have a few cheat days here and there, in which I like to cheat and eat some rubbish also, but moderation is very important, and keeping up consistency is very important. So these are the important things to me. It's up to them. My older guy, my older son, Aaron, he was interested in drama. That was one of his high level subjects, with math and physics. um, he is a very good musician. He loves playing the piano, the tabla, the guitar. He loves to sing, but who knows what the future holds for him. um, Whatever, I think I want them to do what they're passionate about, and I would always stand by whatever he decides to do. Well, it depends what they are doing and what kind of films they will be making, and whether they would want to work. um, of course, if the opportunity arises, and who would not want to work with them. Well, there are a few in the works right now, and some very, very exciting things for me. But I will let you know as soon as the plans are finalized. They know what message I'll give them is thank you very much. Thank you for always supporting me, loving me, and keep watching my movies. Love you too.